on, ride it, Daddy. You scared the hell out of him. Was that Daddy? No, not in the street, Daddy.
You stay on the sidewalk.
Come on, Aiden. No, Aiden, not in the street, Daddy. Go on the sidewalk like Daddy. Aiden.
Out of the street, car. Out of the street. Like, see the neighbors selling their house?
Yeah, I see that.
Sign came up today.
I saw the sign up yesterday.
Really? I don't really see. Hey!
Hey, hey, hey!
Hey! You go on the sidewalk, mister. Turn that way. You go this way.
Whee!
Push, you gotta push on the pedals, Papa. Look, you gotta push on these. Those will push you. See, like that, Papa. See? It pushes you. Keep your foot on it. Go, Papa.
Come on, Daddy.
Watch where you're going. Put your foot on it, Papa.
Whee!
You like that, Papa?
Aiden. Aiden.
Excuse me. Y'all seen a little chihuahua out here?
No.
Little tan one? Okay.
We'll keep an eye out.
Yeah, but you do. I live on the fourth house on that street.
Okay.
All right.
On this side.
Okay.
Like almost behind y'all.
Okay.
Alrighty, thanks.
I think I saw our neighbors with a little black dog in their bed.
He said tan chihuahua.
Yeah. Well, it wasn't black. It was like a brownish tannish.
Who?
Our neighbors right here.
In the
The little girl,
backyard?
yeah. I've never seen him with a little dog though.
We'll go see if it's...
I ain't worried about it. He'll